Hey everyone, this is Glenda from Beads Gone Wild. Just wanted to do a little video on how to thread a needle. Okay, so here's the needle. Here's my thread. This does not work when you try to push the thread through the hole. Okay, but what does work? Take the thread, hold it between your fingers so that you can just see the dot. Take the needle and lay it on. Oh, didn't work. Try again. Keep it tight so that thread can't move, and there we go. So the whole key is keeping that thread tight between your fingers so that it can't move as you lay the eye on it. Let's try again. Now there are two sides to the needle, so if one doesn't work, try the other. But there's the little dot. You almost have to open your fingers to see the dot and then close them back up so it can't move anywhere. Okie doke. Now if you're doing fire line, you're going to do the same thing, except with the fire line you would flatten the end with a plier first, because the fire line is round and you want it to be flat. Then you would cut it so it's nice and sharp, but again do the same thing. Hold it between your fingers like that and lay the needle on it. So again, looking at the needle, they're stamped, so one side might work better than the other. So you can see this one is a little smoother. This one is indented over here on this side. So that's the indented side. So that's what you would push down on there. So there you have it. Thank you very much. Good luck.